Yoshi, what do you want to do today? Well, I thought we could play with a train set. I mean, I love my train set. Why is a girl backed up against the wall? Saving time out. But I don't get it. Why does she have to be in time out? I'll save you, little girl. Oh, that's the queen. Is the queen? The queen in the victory? Curse you! Your taxes are too high. Dummy. Ow. Oh, Yoshi, you have such a good train set. I know. It's so awesome. I'm going to run into a horse. Watch out for the horsey. What? You killed the horsey. Oh well. What the heck? Oh my god, there's people coming. Yoshi, we need to make a train and escape from this place. But there is no escaping. What the heck? Why? Because the people that are here are turds. They don't let us leave. Oh, well, I guess we're going to have to disobey some laws. Disobey some laws? Yes, I will get my secret weapon. If I know where it is. Trap! Hello, secret weapon. Whoa, Yoshi, look, this lady. What the heck? She needs an operation. Oh my god. Oh, I've been hit by a shark. Says she's dead. Oh, poor lady. She's gone. What's rolling on? Wake up, lady! Curse you! I don't think I helped. I mean, look at her head. Her head got dislocated or something. Because, I mean, look at it. Oh, look, I can turn it all the way around. Almost. Yeah, I can turn it all the way around. See? Woo! And look, I mean, her arm is just a slightly little thing. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. What is this? I think it's she's a camera? Let me see. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, you're alive! Yes, and I'm also classified in the ninja arts. Yeah! Oh, you're going pretty slow. I know. Woohoo! Dummy. Alright, Yoshi, it's right off into the sunset. Okay. Oh, not the more. Oh, God. Yoshi, do we have any lunch? Oh, I think so. I need to go into the telephone booth. Mr. Telephone! Mr. Telephone! Please place an order. Type in 1 if you want to order food. 1! What do you want to order? Pizza! Woohoo! Pizza! Okay, your pizza. Would you like pepperoni? Yes. Yes, pepperoni. It will be here in 30 minutes. Okay, thank you. Crap! I got my head stuck in the telephone booth. Oh, and let's just wait for the pizza. Here it is. Bye, everyone.